This is the all-new generation Jeep Compass that might not come to India. Reason being, well, the new generation Compass is based on different platform और काफी महंगी हो जाएगी if and when Jeep localizes it for India. But interestingly, this is the first time that Compass also gets an electric variant. जी हाँ, Compass has an electric avatar thanks to the new platform जिसमें flexibility ज़्यादा है, which means you can put petrol, hybrid and also electric versions out of the same platform, which means the Compass comes with a single motor option as well as a dual motor option. Interestingly, dual motor में आपको near 375 HP मिलता है and that means it is going to be very fast. And interestingly, range is also 650 kilometers. That is quite a big figure, especially when compared to this segment of cars that the Compass even globally competes with. So yes, is the Compass coming to India in its new generation form? No, it won't because of the pricing, but we think an electric version with this much power, this much range is definitely quite an interesting car क्योंकि इस मार्केट में, इंडियन मार्केट में ऑलरेडी डुअल मोटर ईवी आने वाला है in terms of the Harrier EV with which the Jeep Compass EV could compete with. What do you think about this car? Do let us know in the comment section.